Go.
Oh, shit. Stop. Whoa.
Stop, start, yellow flag. 1. Go.
Yeah, I guess not.
No, I ain't covered.
It ain't covered. He's sitting there. He's stuck.
Full fuel.
All right, here we got
You make a better door in the window.
Shut up.
New leader.
a pickup dash chassis race. I.R.O.C.
Go.
Yeah, am I off? Stop.
Yellow 1. Go.
Where's the wheels?
Yeah, that blue one is like
Stop, start.
he's cough syrup.
This blue one's squeaking.
Yeah, squeaking his way.
Lubrication.
2 minutes left.
He's Robitussin.
Low fuel.
Probably heating up. Did you oil it up?
I didn't. No.
Oh, okay. That's the last piece on
Low fuel.
There you go. Look at that. Whoa, whoa. Oh.
Stop.
1. Go. Hit stop started. Halfway through the heat.
Okay, look like I see him.
Yellow flag. 1. Go.
Yes, we all did.
Stop.
1.
Goo. Yeah.
Go.
Magoo, man. Got a magoo.
I didn't realize the blue control.
Oh, yeah, right. Might have battling it out.
Low fuel.
And blue straggling behind. Red and white are there. Taking his S turns.
60 seconds left.
Yellow's coming in with fuel in. Blue just keeps it moving.
Hit stop started.
Stop.
1. Go.
All right. So yellow.
New heat leader.
Blue.
Yellow's got a flat.
Blue is slow but steady.
Got it. Pull it out.
Red is a beast.
It has no fuel.
30 seconds
And
left.
yellow is pretty quick, but it's a little fidgety.
25 seconds left.
And we're approaching the end of this beautiful I.R.O.C. race.
Fuel. Hit stop started.
Pretty good for a
15 seconds left.
flat window.
10 seconds left.
And that's blue.
5 seconds left.
Come on, you mother go.
Man, lap time 3.
And this is the end of the race
Predictions.
I'm the last.
at the Homestead Speedway. I.R.O.C. pickup.